Hello guys, I hope you are fine. So today I'm going to talking about the Google Ads schedule. So why actually schedule is important? First I want to say something about it. Um, we have a business and we are doing a local business or some types of business. So as as a service business owner, we do not provide service all day long. So if we are do not provide all day long services or we have any off day or in weekend, then we do not provide our services. So if we do not provide our services and at that and at that time, if a customer call us to give the services, what do you feel? I think you do not feel well. So that's why Google Ads schedule is very important. Google Ads schedule work on that. So if you have any off day or if you any off time to keep the services, then Google Ads can be off, off and get and Google Ads also can do schedules. So how we can use schedule very properly, we will learn today. So let's get started. So first we're going to our browser and then going to our Google Ads account. After that, we're going to campaign creation. We all know that what sticky this is. We learned before our um, previous video. We learned source campaign start now. So after this, uh, go to next, and then we will find the more settings. We'll find the more settings. So we click here, and after that, we'll find the add schedule. So if we click on this pencil button or pen button, we can find that schedule. So add schedule, we can uh, we can find there is some options to doing ad schedule. How it works, we will explain it. Let's move now. So we can see a box that's here in all day long, and there is a no time schedule. So if you want that your ad will be uh, on all time, then you do not do uh, nothing. I mean, you don't need to change anything. And if you want that your ad will be changed and you want to scheduling your ads, then you can click here and you can see some options. What does it mean? This is the all day long. This is the Monday to Friday. So if we know that Monday to Friday is working day, then if we select this and then we can select our working time. So if our working time is if our working time is start from the 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. or 5 p.m., then we can select this one or this one. So we can select this one, and also you can add and this is means Saturday to Sunday. So this is most of the time. Uh, Most of the countries have weekend is Saturday to Sunday. So uh, we can use this uh, and we can use this and we can use this of uh, any kind of time and like like 2 p.m. to any kind of time 7 p.m. Uh, 8 p.m. 6 p.m. or something. Uh, and also you can add another day, another city, another time. So actually, you can select each and any time and any date for your business services. You can select this. You can see this and cut out this. This is the fundamental of the ad schedule. But you can ask what will be our time zone in the ad schedule. So actually, our time zone will be in the ad schedule. That is uh, uh, where the ad account is made. If your ad accounts address is USA, then your ad account will be your ad account schedule will be um, follow the USA time zone. And if you have another country's time zone, then it will be run for another time zones. So if you are a businessman, then I hope you will uh, run your ads by your own account. But if you want that, you will provide the service as a Google expert, then you have to work with lots of accounts. So remind these settings because if you run Google Ads with the wrong schedule, then your ad will be cut your budget, uh, but it's not worth it. So how can we check that your ad account is uh, your ad account is what time zone? Uh, so there is option also. So if you go to admin section, then account settings section, then we can see the time zone. You can see the time zone. Uh, you can see the time zone. So you can check this, and after that you do scheduling of your ads account or of your campaign. So now you can ask me after uh, when we run Google Ads, after running Google Ads, can we do scheduling or not? So yes, you can change anything, any kind of almost all kind of settings you can change after running your Google Ads or Google Ads campaign. That's actually called the optimization. There is a lots of things that you can do. So if we go to our mobile section and if we select any of ads, then then we can find the setting. So if you select this, you can see lots of options. So if we go to there, we go to, lots of time Google's settings has been changed by uh, there, there is a lots of update. That's why yeah, you can feel some problem to find some settings. Mm, just keep- so the settings will be there, um, there, but these ads is not running right now. That's why I cannot find that. But if you run a Google Ads, then you can find that. Uh, there, there will be a settings which is Ad Studio, so you can change from here. So I hope you can understand. Uh, so that was the all uh, things about the ad schedule. So I, I hope that you can understand each and everything very betterly. And if you feel any problem, then you can ask me in the comment below of the videos. And if you feel that you uh, need some guidance, then you can knock me on my WhatsApp. I'll keep the number on the description. And also, if you feel that you will be join a community where lots of people are together, and I give each every week a day and questioning section. So if you feel that you joined it, you can join her. I give the link below of my description. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you will be your day will be fine. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.